My name is Kennedy Payne. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. My major is Information Systems and Decision Sciences with a minor in Analytics, and I'm a junior. One day in class, Dr. Pickley came in with a 9 to 10 page business case about Citigroup hospitality. He described it to us, passed it out 2 weeks early before the midterm, and told us to go home, study it, know it back and forth, and our midterm would be based off of it. To a few of the classes afterwards, we discussed it in class, so we were prepared, kind of said what the gist of it was, what type of questions would be on the exam, and just to know it, and we would be able to reference it during our exam. Being in the middle of applying for internships, it's very helpful having practice with case studies in class, because oftentimes in interviews, you are prompted with a case study and the interviewer would like for you to give your opinion on what their company should do. So already having this practice in Dr. Pickley's class is very beneficial to me in my interview process.